Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Google Trends to find trending topic in a particular niche. So first thing, just simply go to trends.google.com, and here this will be their homepage. And as you can see right away, you should be able to see here trending now at the top. So here guys, on the trending now, as you can see, you will have here all trends, and you will have here the categories. So from here, just simply choose the niche that you want to target to. So let's say, for example, my niche is about technology. So I'm going to go for technology. And as of now, these are the most trending search. And you can select it as past 7 days as well over here, or 48 hours. Now from here guys, just simply select a keyword. Let's say I'm gonna go for Epic Games over here and select explore. And now just simply go to the location over here. And I recommend going for the worldwide. And after that, you should be able to see here the performance of this keyword. And let's say I'm gonna compare it into a Riot Games. And after that, as you can see from here guys, Epic Games is much more dominant when it comes to the search volume. And there you go. Just simply play around with it. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here some related keywords for these two. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.